their children than ever. In fact, many of them are downright angry. We're joined by Fox News political analyst Frank Luntz this morning. Good morning to you, sir. Look, the economy's bad, money's not coming in the way it used to, and this is not even the real reason why so many moms in this country are concerned. Tell us why.
Well, there's significant anxiety out there for the economy. Moms are afraid about money coming into the household, the lack of savings, job situations, but it's more than. We asked several questions, and if I can bring them up there. I'm concerned about the values and behavior of the children who interact with my children. 78% are concerned about those values. That 3 out of 4 moms, 3 out of 4 parents are afraid of the kids that their children are playing with on a day-to-day basis. What I don't know about the daily life of my child could hurt them. Moms are acknowledging that they can't be there at every moment to be able to ensure that the impact and the interaction with their children and other forces won't have a negative impact on them. As you can see, 53% agree with that. And the one that I found most interesting, my kids are exposed to negative influences in their personal relationships. 42% say yes. And so what you got here is that moms are concerned about what's happening to their children now. And the issue is technology. The issue is that they can't protect them on the web. They can't protect them in texting and sexting and bullying. And so there's a technology that just came out. It's called mousemail.com. And this technology, along with organizations like NetNanny, allows the parent control to ensure that nothing negative or nothing bad happens to the child. I don't know if you know this, but the average child gets a cell phone at the age of 12, and it's usually the parent who says, I want the child to have it. But with Mousemail, it ensures that the child cannot be bullied, cannot be sexted, cannot have any kind of negative interaction. And that's something that gives moms peace of mind to know that they can prevent something bad from happening before it happens.
Tell you what, though, Frank, that technology strikes fear in the heart of teenagers across the country, monitoring each and every text message. Is that really what we have to do to make moms feel like they have some control now?
Well, don't forget that even though the average age is 12, you got kids who are 9, 10, 11 years of age. If a parent has a discussion with a child over what is expected, and part of mousemail.com is that it encourages that conversation, then children want to be protected themselves. They don't want to be interfered with by people who are engaging in some sort of predatory behavior. And all of this technology and all of this concern about being unable to protect a 9, a 10, 11, a 12-year-old is just an added stress and strain for moms across America.
Boy, I tell you what, I see a future debate on this new technology on the way. Thank you, Frank Luntz. We appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Coming up, Iran test firing a drone.